Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. First time doing an unboxing video facing the camera. So I don't do this very often. Depending on the feedback, I might do it more often, not too sure yet. But let's open this up. This is a Logitech mechanical keyboard. I forgot the model number, but I guess we'll find it after it's opened. There it is. Logitech G815. G815 RGB mechanical keyboard. I guess the RGB means the lighting on the keyboard. I've never had a mechanical keyboard. So I want to see how this compares with my current keyboard. This is it. It's got a little, not sure what this is. Sticker. A little sticker. Where am I going to stick this? User manual. Just says keep playing. How to plug it into your computer. Guess everyone knows how to do that. So yeah, there's the cable. It's got 2 USBs. Someone explain that to me. Why does it have 2 USBs? Mechanical. Feels the same. Now another video that I'm about to do is I'm going to see whether I type faster on this keyboard than my old one. So I'll show you my old one again. So the keys sort of float. You can sort of see the keys are floating a little bit. Mechanical. Doesn't feel too much different. It's got a little sliding thing as well. And yeah, some G keys. Not totally sure this will be better than my old one. I'll show you guys my old one. So this is my old Logitech G110. As you can see, the G110 is a lot wider than the G815. Okay, it's not too much wider. It's pretty much got this as well, the sliding thing. It's got the playback buttons. What else? It's got these M123 keys. I don't even use them, and it's got the G keys on the side. So yeah, it's not quite sure whether it'll be better yet, but one thing I'm going to do is now test whether I can type faster on this keyboard. Now you guys didn't believe me when I said that I went A to Z in under 3 seconds on this keyboard. So let's see whether I can do it on this, and this time I'll show you that it's me doing it. Alright, see you guys for the next one.
Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.